The last time I did the videos that this is a great videos for the for all the nail tech beginner, nail tech when you are starting it up with your business. You don't have a lot of supplies, which is fine. You don't have to have thousands of different of color acrylics in order for you to do a lot of different designs. So using what you have, a collection from a gels, and only you need is this one of the nude colors, like how the beige or beige nude is a good colors for you to do ombre effects. And you can check out with a lot of videos that I share with you before. So now I applied like half of the nails already. So what I'm going to use the same brush, which is the brush number 10. I have it here. If you don't have the brush number 1, I'm just like kind of blending a little bit to make it looks like a little bit blending out later. So then when we do ombre, it's gonna blending, and it's gonna look like smoothing, transitioning. All right, and let's see what's up. Give for 30 seconds and then see what's up with this one. I'm just really curious. I wanted to do it, and I look at that and say, what if I get these two together and see how it's going to turn out. And also I think you can do with any color. It doesn't have just happen that we have the beautiful palettes right here. I think the kind of the it's not the orange, it's like more turmeric's color.
Turmeric, yes.
No, turmeric is like more bright like that. You know, like it feel like it look like a burnt orange. It's perfect for this season too, and also all year round. And then I'm gonna use this, like make it ombre like that. It should be dry really good now. So if you're doing a solid nails, I did swatching some of them with cute solids. You can use it and make it solid like this, or you can make it ombre like this, and you can add some of these cute stickers. Like you can add some big stickers here, you know. This is cool though.
Remember, you got most of this stuff in our
Subbox. And then, okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and submerging my bristle into the monomer and pick up my gold mint smaller bead first. And I'm gonna place it right in the middle of the nails, right above of the ombre gel that I just did. First, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. The first bead, it help to blend the ombre. When you start playing with this and then get a hang of it, you don't have to do like 2 beads. I love to do 2 beads, so then that way you can take a little bit extra, not that much extra time, but it will help you blend it so nice, so you don't have to worry about ombre and then cuticle at the same time. So you can do one ombre part right here to get it perfect first, and then go back with your cuticles area. It's really cool. Looks really cool. And I'll pick the second beads. Now this bead, you're gonna able to do it for your cuticles, and you can able to perfect your cuticles. Find the way works the best for you. You know, some of you, I know that you're doing it like 10 beads, 3 beads, 4 beads, 5 beads. Do however many beads that you are it works for you, because the reason it is really depend on the length of the client's nails and how fancy and complicated designs that you are working on it. So it doesn't have to be just one bead. Sometimes you see us doing it social medias and with editing and videos and one bead, fascinating, but do what it works the best for you, not like to make it looks impress, you know, anyone. All right, how's that? It looks like a matcha, but it's gone. The matcha is gone.
No, it's still
looks
really
cool.
Good.
Looks cool though.
Yeah.
All right, so if you like it, cap it. And then like this one is really good at solids that it can ombre. You can pretty much do with any colors. And I'm curious if you do it with all the colors, it's gonna be cool. So I'm gonna submerging my bristles in the crystal clear. And then we are going to carve. Till the nail down and let gravity do all the work for you. Using the belly of the bristle and guiding your beads. It's gonna look good when we top coat it. I was like, it looks so cool though. I should have done all the colors. It's gonna be cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, you can continue. I think it's gonna look good with all color too, because this gold means it looks perfect. It's pretty much blending really well, so you don't have to worry about it's like one line of the color. It looks, this one looks really different.
Mm-hmm.